Welcome everyone. Once again, my name is Alan Shisco and I am a motion graphics artist. Today I'm going to discuss a little bit of a power tip. Now, if anybody out there has purchased my Making It Look Great training series, makingitlookgreat.com, at one point I talk at length about the Track 3D layer feature using Zaxworks Invigorator. Now, when I had finished doing the actual tutorials there, I discovered a little bit of a trick, a little bit of a workaround that makes the whole process a lot easier, and that's what I would like to discuss on this little blog post today. So let's do it. I'm going to create a new composition, no name or anything like that, and I'm going to go up to first, of course. how about that? I got to create my solid first. Call this Invig. There we go. Hit the OK button, and I'm going to go up to Effect, Zaxworks, 3D Invigorator. I'm just going to create some 3D text. You can use whatever you'd like with this, text or an Illustrator file. And I'm just going to type a quick hello there, like that. I'm going to create a comp camera, hit the OK button. Back to here, the Effects control window with Zaxworks Invigorator. Use comp camera. There we go. Now, as the tutorial discusses, tutorial itself for Making It Look Great gets way more in-depth in terms of using Track 3D layer, but basically what you do is this. In my tutorial I say create a solid. Use that solid to control the transforms of your Invigorator object. I'm going to suggest that you try this instead though. Go up to your text tool, click here and type, well, whatever you'd like. I'm just going to type control layer. And we'll sort of move that down there a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the parameters of this control layer control my Invigorator object right here, okay? And the way that you do that is you go down to Invigorator, open up your sets twirly here, go to your set 1, all of your objects Invigorator default to set 1, and you're going to select as your Track 3D layer control layer right there. Watch what happens right up here with the hello here. Control layer, look at that, it just popped up there. Now in the tutorial that I talk about, well, you do that and it doesn't refresh and all that, and I say you've got to go up to edit, purge, image caches and all this stuff. There's a lot of visiting the purge menu in the tutorial, but you don't have to do that so long as your control layer is a text layer with collapse transformations on, or you can use a solid as long as it has collapse transformations on, or you can even use a null. So watch what happens here. If I go to my control layer, you don't even have to have it visible. I'll turn that off. Hit the R key to bring up rotation, make it 3D. Watch what happens with my hello when I click and transform this. Look at that. It just happens in real time as I click and drag. You can get really, really good, fast feedback on the positioning of your Invigorator elements by using a control layer in this manner. So, you know, all the parameters, position, there you go, rotation, there you go, the scale, it all works, right? Up and down, up and down. It's a really, really powerful tool using Track 3D layer with the 3D Invigorator. So, there you go. That's your tech tip for the day, your power tip, your Invigorator power tip for the day. I hope that was helpful. I would encourage you to try using the Track 3D layer function in Invigorator. It really, really helps in the animation of your Invigorator objects. So again, hope that helped. My name is Alan Shisco, and I will talk to you again soon.